In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set your computer to the maximum refresh rate that your display supports. Now, if you have a 120Hz, 144, 165, 240, 300, or even a 365Hz display, and you're wondering why your computer is running at 16Hz when you have a higher refresh rate panel, might be because your computer is set to 16Hz. On some displays, it might set your computer to the maximum refresh rate, but on others, you might have to do it manually. To fix this, what you need to do is left click on the Windows icon and type settings. Then hit enter on your keyboard, click on system, click on display, scroll down, click on advanced display, and on choose a refresh rate, simply select the maximum refresh rate that you can choose. Then click on the refresh rate that you want to enable. Then click on keep changes. Enable the maximum refresh rate. And that's it. That's how you can set your computer to use the maximum refresh rate that your display supports. If the tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more tutorials like this one. And if you still have questions, please comment on the comment section below and I'll be glad to help you. This is Chris J Technology and I will be seeing you on the next video. Have a good day.